Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries of Virginia. About a week ago we planted this combo. You see many of our pot combos online, and it's a gorgeous colour, lots of pink going on here. At the back we have a lovely Aramis daisy. It's Aramis daisy called Pink Eye for obvious reasons. Look there in the centre of the flower, little pink eye in there. The flower non-stop right through until October time. Left and right we have two lovely geraniums, and these are geranium classic white splash. So they're pink and I suppose creamy pink and white in the flowers, again non-stop until October. And then at the front a gorgeous fuchsia, and this is a fuchsia called Sunray, and fuchsia Sunray has got colourful foliage and pink and purple flowers like that. It'll be out in flowers soon, which is a lovely combo all together, and you can see how quickly it fills out. All those plants are available in the web shop for planting. If you look back, you can see how we planted them, and we should plant them in SWELL compost. SWELL compost goes 12 to 14 months low release fertilizer and a wetting agent in there to keep them in good condition. It's a lovely combination of plants to flower non-stop right through until at least mid-October. Bye for now. Enjoy your garden.